Welcome to Herbal Snippets. I'm Rosalee de la Forêt, here to share quick, practical insights about herbs. I'm also the founder of Herbs with Rosalee, an herbal school, community, and podcast where we celebrate the art of herbalism together. Want to learn more? Visit herbswithrosalee.com or check out the link in the description to join our free herbal community. Now, let's dive into today's Herbal Snippet. There's a lot of controversy surrounding red clover and whether or not it offers menopause support. So let's dive into this a bit deeper. First, let's discuss estrogen. Estrogen is a natural hormone found in all genders. It's important for bone growth, blood clotting, and reproduction. The amount of estrogen produced in the bodies is tightly regulated through biochemical pathways. However, in modern times, these pathways are being infiltrated by imposters. Xenoestrogens are a type of endocrine disruptor that wreaks havoc on natural hormones by mimicking estrogen. By binding or blocking our natural estrogen, they can increase the total amount of estrogen, resulting in a hormone imbalance of estrogen dominance. Unfortunately, xenoestrogens are increasingly common and can be found in skincare products like parabens, in containers and plastics like BPA and phthalates, and even in artificial colorings of foods like FD&C red number 3, etc. So while limiting estrogens is important, there's more that you can do. Red clover is high in phytoestrogens, which is a diverse group of compounds found in many different food plants, including seeds, grains, and beans. Regularly eating foods and herbs high in phytoestrogens can block xenoestrogens from your estrogen receptor sites. Imagine a large table with many seats. When your natural estrogen and phytoestrogens are sitting at the table, there's simply not enough room for uninvited guests, such as xenoestrogens. Red clover has long been a favorite herb for supporting healthy hormones for various stages of life, including as an herb for menopause support. Herbalists commonly recommend red clover for hormonal imbalances, including infertility and premenstrual syndrome, PMS symptoms, especially sore breasts. Trifolium prantates is especially favored for menopausal symptoms such as vaginal dryness, osteoporosis, and hot flashes. Numerous studies have demonstrated that isoflavone extracts of red clover have beneficial effects in postmenopause. A double-blinded crossover study in 2020 showed that fermented red clover extract had a positive benefit on skeletal muscle in early postmenopausal women. One 12-week trial showed that people taking red clover leaves had significantly fewer menopausal symptoms than those taking a placebo. Numerous studies, including a meta-analysis, have shown extracts of red clover to be safe and effective for hot flashes in particular. In the future, I'd love to see human clinical trials performed using the whole herb rather than these isolated extracts. Red clover as an herb for menopausal support has many applications. For example, a couple of studies have been shown it to be helpful for heart health. One study showed that supplementation of red clover can support heart health by reducing vascular inflammation in early postmenopausal women. Another study showed that the herbal combination with the extracts of red clover and hops appeared to be effective in the protection of endothelial function against oxidative stress and estrogen depletion. Phytoestrogens from many plants and herbs are considered beneficial for menopausal support. One review in 2021 looked at a variety of studies regarding phytoestrogen-containing plants, including red clover, and concluded the use of phytoestrogens is a safe, low-risk option compared to hormone therapy. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.